I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Just a quick review though, I've been using this keyboard for over 2 weeks now. The typing experience was amazing. This is my second mechanical keyboard and I never felt satisfied while typing on a Switch before. My previous mechanical keyboard was the Razer Black Widow Tournament Edition with green switches, so to convert into a lighter switch was pretty smooth actually. Even though I had a few mistypes here and there, but it felt really satisfied with the sounds and feels of the red switches. Honestly, I thought the backlight on the keyboard was orange color because this is what I saw on the Shopee page, but it turns out to be white backlight, so I'm a bit disappointed there, but it is what it is. It is truly cheap though, about 120 after shipping. I was about to buy the RGB version, but it is sold out immediately, so I decided to buy this one instead. I mostly use this keyboard for coding instead of gaming, so it doesn't really matter I guess, but I plan to upgrade for different layout board because the placement for the arrow key were really odd, and as you can see, the up arrow key is merged with the slash key, which make it really inconvenient for coding, and I always forget to press the function button to trigger the slash. Other than that, this keyboard is really good purchase for someone who try to get into mechanical keyboard, but please don't get the blue switches because you might regret your decision later. If you guys have any thought about the video, be sure to comment down below, and if you enjoyed, be sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're interested. It's free, you can always change your mind later. So thank you for watching and peace out.